Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to invert colors on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So let's say you're doing this on the iPhone 14 or 15, Pro or not Pro. This is going to look the same. You just need to follow the same steps. So go to the settings, then you want to go to the accessibility. Once you are here, go to the display and text size, and if you swipe down you're going to find option called classic invert, so it just reverses the colors of the display. So now, as you can see, the colors are inverted. Even if you go to the photos, the colors are going to be inverted. So let's say find some picture, maybe a photo, not a screenshot. As you can see, now every colors on the display are now inverted. The white iPhone, it would look pretty sick. Okay, so to turn off this feature, you just need to follow the same step as turning it on. So settings, let's go back. Once you're in the settings, go to the accessibility, then go to the display and text size. Once you're here, just turn off the classic invert. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!